Hello everyone, Chris Campbell here in the shop. Tonight we have a vintage Rolex watch from 1952. This particular watch is valued and appraised at about $10,900. The customer wants a new crystal and a new band and a complete service. So tonight what we're going to do is go ahead and replace the band. And I'm going to get the band ready for removal. And this can be a little trickery sometimes on these Rolexes. Well, come on. You know you want to do it. There we go. Okay. So we have one off. And we'll do the second on the second side. Come on. There we go. Okay. All right. So we have the band off. And now we have the movement. Okay. So now we're going to remove the crystal. Oh, we almost had it. Hold on one second. Okay, there we go. Sometimes these things can be a little tricky. Okay, come on. And we should be able to pop it off. All right, there we go. So we'll go ahead and drop the crystal out. And you can see that's a very worn crystal. Okay. Now I have a vintage 1953 crystal. So we'll go ahead and open it up. All right, so that's the new crystal. All right, so we're going to go ahead and install it. Make sure that it fits. And it does, okay. And so that'll be a beautiful crystal. We'll go ahead and pop it into the machine and get it installed and do a complete service. Now the customer wants a new band, and so we're going to use some of the links from this band. And now we need to find out what the links are of the diameter. So let's see, 0 it to millimeters. So it is a 19-inch. 19-inch, okay. All right, so we'll order a new band from Rolex, and we'll use the pins. This is the old band, but what a beautiful timepiece. Stay tuned. All right, everybody, Chris Campbell here with the Rolex watch. We have our crystal on top of our Rolex watch. So we've got our base placed in our top piece. All right, and that should be enough. And let's see, yes. So we now have our new crystal installed. And that is a beautiful timepiece. Okay, we'll check it. And it is ticking away. So the next step is to put the new band on, and the customer will now have a nice Rolex watch. So we'll zoom in here just a little bit so that you can see it. Okay, stay tuned.